guys, it's me, Sydney, and today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a squishy scammer. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, guys, so I got this piece of paper in the mail saying that somebody wants to buy squishies. So one baseball squishy. Wait, first I have to get what I'm going to package in it. So I guess this bag is fine, right? Yeah, I guess that's fine. So one baseball squishy. I actually have two. So I think I might give her two baseball squishies instead. This can be an extra one. But they're just stress balls. They're not really squishy. See, like they're not like slow rising. They're just like pretty much stress balls. I don't think she'll mind though. But they kind of have a little defects to it. See, like they have a little defects to it, but I don't think she'll mind. Oh, I found something to package in. It's just lying down on my ground, so I guess I can put these in here. Boom. Okay. So let's put this in the bag after. Do we have anything else to package? We can package one thing with no. I have no packaging. Not any more packaging. I don't think she'll mind. So next we can do one football. Next she wants one football. I have it right here, but again, it's not slow rising. Well, it kind of is. And it has a little bit of defects to it right there. And then when you like do that, it's a stress ball again. But yeah, and it has a defect right there and stuff. I don't think she'll mind though. But yeah, I'm just gonna go get a packaging for it. One sec. So guys, I'm going to wrap it in like just a plain Kleenex. Don't worry, it doesn't have anything on it. I just don't have any more packaging, so I kind of can't. But I don't think she'll mind either. About that. Next thing that she wants is two basketballs. That's good. We have a red one and we have an orange one. That one's not really slow rising. This one is kind of slow rising, guys. I mean, like, I do have other squishies, but I kind of don't want to give them to her. But she is buying off me, so yeah. I'm going to go wrap these up into those tissues again. I will be right back. Okay, so I got two more. So I got this one all wrapped up. Put it in the bag, and I got this one all wrapped up. There we go. And put it in the bag. Okay, so since she wrote this on here, her total was $11, so plus shipping, that would be $14. I'm just going to write on this, thanks for purchasing. Thank you. Enjoy. And stuff. So yeah, basically I wrote thank you, enjoy, and it's kind of messy. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in here, and I'm going to close it just like that, and let's ship it away. Hey guys, so I just got a squishy package from this girl named Squishy Collector on Instagram. I will link it down below. So yeah, let's see what hopefully all my squishies are open. So I found a piece of paper. It says thank you, enjoy. Okay, so it has everything that I ordered. And my total was $11 plus shipping, so $14. So that's right. Hopefully she sends me the right things. Hopefully I didn't get scammed. But yeah, let's get started. So first, in this Kleenex, hopefully it's not a dirty Kleenex. And I guess she didn't have enough packaging. But yeah, in this Kleenex, I have my little basketball. Hopefully it comes with another one because I have one. But yeah, let's see if it's squishy. It's not even slow rising. It's just like a stress ball, pretty much. Well, let's check the other thing. So I have another thing in a Kleenex, and it's another basketball. Hopefully it's slow rising. Nope. Of course it's not. So basically it's just like a stress ball again. I'm disappointed in that. Like, I spent $5 on those. Okay, so one with another Kleenex in it. Oh, this is my football one. And it had a lot of defects to it. Like, look at that. Look at it and stuff. But yeah, this was $3. And it's not even slow rising. Again, like, it's like the basketballs. It's not even slow rising. Okay, well, I'm disappointed. Oh, this time she actually had packaging. But they're 2 baseballs. I asked for 1 baseball, so it's probably an extra. Probably. But, like, I spent $3 on one of these. So, I guess she gave me an extra one since I have 2. So this one, let's see if this one's squishy. Nope, it's basically just a stress ball again. Like, watch this. Like, it's not even, like, slow rising at all. Well, that was a fail. Let's see if this one. This one does have a lot of defects. So, yeah. Like, right there, if you can't really see that and stuff, yeah. And this one does too. It's like right back here it does. So, yeah, but we'll just check this one. So this one, is this one slow rising? Nope, of course it's not. So basically, it's like a stress ball. Well, I'm just going to say don't order off of her. But I got stress balls, and this would really work if, like, I'm stressed or something. But they're not what I paid for. And I'm mad about that. But yeah. Okay, well, that was a fail. I think I'm going to contact her after and ask her what all this is. But yeah. Yep. I'm mad about all that stuff. Like, this is just like a, like, this one's like hard kind of though. Like, so I'm just mad that she gave me like that. But yeah, if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye.